Riuma igeria ria kamiti ya mbunge igii migunda ria gwetha kihonia kigie ndugamano ya mugunda wa Delmonte umuthi. No igeria riri riaringa ihiga riria kambuni ya Delmonte kugerera wakiri wayo Njoroge Regeru yugire ndingiingira ndereti-ini ya ndugamano ino kuona kuri na maciira makomete igoti-ini.
There are pending in the High Court various cases. No less than 7 cases are pending in the courts.
Uhoro uyu ugiuka na kimako kinene kuri amemba kamiti ino aria muthenya wa keri kiumia giki mari na giikaro na gikundi gia Kandara Residents Association kiria nikio kiri na mateta ma gutunywo mugunda ni Delmonte no gitigana kuhithuria ati ni kuri na maciira maya.
It is a requirement under the law before any petition is presented to Parliament that the petitioner discloses whether there are any pending proceedings.
Gikundi giki gia Kandara gikoretwo gigietha gucokeria mugunda wa eka 8,000 ni Delmonte na ningi Delmonte ni ikoretwo igietha kweruhirio marua ma mugunda ucio na kamiti ya migunda NLC ni rigite kuheana riathani ria mugunda ucio waturanio weru ni matharofea no maya matigana gukinyaniria na gwikira nduma makiria uhoro-ini uyu.
This is beginning of August. No response has been received from the director of survey.
When people raise historical injustice issues, then the others will go to court. The other party will go to court. It is a shame.
Ministry ya migunda yugite ati yeruhitie eka 2,900 kuri Delmonte no gugatuika ati eka 2,022 na irahuthika ni kambuni ino na matari na marua.
We are going to listen to the guidance of the Speaker of the National Assembly on this matter.
Githiururi kiria githiururukiirie ndugamano ya mugunda wa Delmonte kironekana ta gitari na muthia wakio no aikari a Kandara Residents Association metikitie ati kuri ona gicunji kiao kia mugunda thiini wa mugunda ucio wa Delmonte. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngunjiri.